in there? Is it that there's some sort of hatred for the Ghans, or I don't really know? Maybe you would have to, explain it far better for me to understand. Mini kokwe G problem any gamashi be like asmoni akawo woni BPM.
For me, what I'll say is I've been in several interviews, and what they always tell me is I have to blend tree, I have to blend tree and English, you understand? And I don't see any reason, you understand? Because Gan language too is everywhere. Yeah. You understand? Gan language too is everywhere. Not only here in Ghana. Yeah. Definitely outside. Yeah. You understand? People always speak Gan. You understand? So most of the times they always say, King Jerry, you like we have been listening to most of your songs and always Gan. So you have to blend it, at least tree, at least English. You understand? And even right now, as I'm talking to you right now, I've been doing that. You understand? Yeah, I've been doing that. But I don't know the main reason why they always, you understand? Yeah, like, because you can see our brother out there, Kim Promise, is a Gan. Yeah. But more of his songs, more of his songs be this tree and the English. I don't know why. You understand? We have to be proud of where we're from. Yeah, what we have. Honestly. That is why most of my songs, Gan is like 50 or 70%, and the other tribe, you understand, I mix them. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. But for me, I don't know the reason. All I know is I'm doing my thing. You understand? When it hits, it hits. Yeah. You like it, you like it. Sure. Because I don't understand it anymore.
Charlie, why? Honestly, I mean, this has been a serious problem that I think the Gan community has to really stand up. You know what I'm saying? Stand up and fight for their right, because it's becoming unbecoming. I've been watching a couple of interviews whereby a Gan artist will be asked to speak tree just because he's on the tree station, and it's very bad. You know what I'm saying? You can tell the person, of an call you Gan fear, boy, you tree, but don't instruct the person like of an only tree. Like, come on. I mean, this thing is becoming unbecoming, and definitely we're going to be talking about it till it's being solved. I mean, we are proud Gans, so we have to be proud of whatever language we speak. And I'm saying, project our own. So people should stop instructing us to speak by falsely theirs. It's not done anywhere. It's not right. You know what I'm saying? So some of our key players, they need to really, stand firm to really, make this thing, get eradicated from the system. It's becoming unbecoming. You know what I'm saying? By force. I mean, what you're saying about King Promise is true. Most of his song now, man, more of tree, because he feels like that's what he's been instructed to do, and he wants to be there. So I mean, somebody like Tiny was proud about where he's from, and he was proud of his dialect, and most of his song, even though they want him to channel into, but he still would want to like project more of the Gan, because he feels like that's where he represents.
Most of the times they even told me, Charlie, if you want to be there,
then you have to
do this, because just watch Adani Best, watch
Aditya, where have they got into, and all, Charlie?
So you have to
killing your vibe.